Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make some air dry clay projects. I'm making earring, a tray and a keychain. First of all, I'm taking Fevicryl Mouldit, which is one part of resin and one part of hardener. I'm mixing them well until it turns white. Then I'm applying some powder on a plastic sheet. Using any roller or a flat object, I'm making a sheet of clay. Use any sharp object or dotting tool to create your desired shapes. I'm making a heart, a semicircle and few triangles. Don't forget to make holes unless it is a stud. Then I'm using some more clay to create the tray. Here I'm making a leaf shaped tray which could be placed over a bottle or a cup to create a bowl shaped or curved shape. Once it is dried, it will be curved. But here, as I'm using normal clay, it will end up being a straight plate. Then I'm making some spiral hearten using 2 strands of clay. Once everything is dried for 1 hour or 2 hours, I'm applying acrylic paints. Once everything is dried, I'm adding the jump rings using nose pliers. To add a stud to it, I'm using Fevicol All Fix. Now I'm adding the charms to the keychain. Here is the final reveal. I hope you all liked the video. Please let me know in the comment sections below. Don't forget to share me your version of air dry clay projects in Instagram. Don't forget to share these ideas to your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll come up with another idea in the next one. Bye.